So today we're going to unbox ButcherBox. Let's do it. Here it is. We have ButcherBox. This is where I buy my meat. Have a lot of insulated packaging here. Dry ice. They put a list right here of everything that should be in the box. So let's see what we have. We have bacon. And I have another one here. This one comes free in every box. This is a promotion I got for being a member, and I get it for the lifetime of my subscription. Grass-fed boneless beef chuck. More bacon. Chicken thighs. Chicken wings. Chicken tenderloins. Chicken drumsticks. Chicken nuggets. Now I recently learned that they flash fry these in seed oil, so I will not be buying these again. I had to email them to find this out because it's not on the label. So it's very important to know that these breaded food items are often flash fried in soybean oil. Ground bison. Ground beef. More ground beef. Now I get these for free in every box. It's another promotion I got just for being a member. Grass-fed beef ribeye. These are fantastic. More ribeye. Another boneless beef chuck roast. Great for those winter days when you want to just make something in the crock pot. Ground pork Italian sausage links. You can see this insulated packaging here. And that's it. Now I'm going to go over what we got. So this is my haul for today. Now this box costs $318. I get it once every other month. They also have a smaller box for $160, and you get to choose the cuts of meat. They give you options between beef, poultry, pork, seafood, So sometimes they'll do a promotion where they'll have a whole turkey or a whole ham or a whole leg of lamb, especially during holidays. And they have a lot of promotions for new members. I was able to get some promotions just for ordering a box on a regular basis. But if you're a new customer, sometimes they'll offer you free steaks for a year or free ground beef or free bacon, whatever it is. So I've been a member of ButcherBox for more than 3 years. I think it's been closer to 5 years. It's grass-fed, grass-finished, organic meat. Now what I do when I get my box is I rotate the meat out so that I don't have any old meat sitting in the bottom of the freezer, and everything tastes a lot fresher that way. So I would recommend that you rotate your meat. I've been very happy with this box. The only thing I'm unhappy about is the chicken nuggets that are flash fried in the soybean oil. Here's a little overview of what's in every box. So this is their latest promotion right now. You have 3 options. It looks like you can get free ribeyes for a year, free chicken breast, or free filet mignon. Now, if it was me, I would go for the ribeye for sure. It's a no-brainer on this one. But I've tried all of these. They're all very good. I just happen to love the ribeyes. So right now we're looking at the seafood selection. I don't buy a lot of seafood just because I don't really care for seafood. It's not my favorite. But I have tried the salmon and the cod and the scallops, and I think even the shrimp. Every once in a while I buy something from here, and it's all been really good. Underneath there you see a section that says more, and you can see there's a check mark. That's the ground bison. I have that in my box. That's what it'll look like if you put it in your box. These are my current promotions right now. I have free ground beef, free bacon, free drumsticks for as long as I'm a member of ButcherBox. I can put my box on pause or on hold. I can skip a box. As long as I don't cancel my membership, I will continue to get these for free for the duration of my membership.